Excellent. So good afternoon. My name is Eduardo Sampaio. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Psychomeasure. Our business is to support psychiatrists in the diagnosis and monitoring of schizophrenic patients. If you're older, you must have seen this very famous movie with Jack Nicholson playing the main character, a father who turns into a psychotic patient against his own family inside an old hotel. Now let me ask you a few questions about the diagnosis of schizophrenia. How accurate is for a medical doctor to recognize a schizophrenic patient and refer the patient to another psychiatric doctor? And how long does it take to reach a diagnosis on schizophrenia? And finally, even when you are a trained psychiatrist, how often does she get it right in the first consultation? And of course, schizophrenia is a global mental disorder with devastating aspects for both the patient, their family, and their entire healthcare system. Now, the answer to my first questions. According to scientific literature, medical doctors never get it right. And even trained psychiatrists get half of the time wrong. And the compounding costs for this diagnostic problem are enormous. On the other hand, our solution gets it right 90% of the time, and we only use verbal reports for it. And let me share with you our secret sauce. We use mathematical modeling to quantify what psychiatrists are trained to capture when interviewing patients. We have been developing this technology for more than 10 years, and other research centers have tested and validated it. In summary, we collect verbal reports using our mobile app. We process the data measuring formal thought disorder, which is a non-psychiatric marker of schizophrenia. And we provide valuable data, insights to the medical doctors. And our advantage should be clear by now. Low cost, quick, scalable, language independent, and efficient. By comparison, you can see the benefits of our approach versus traditional methods. We work on supporting medical doctors with early detection, also known as prodromal state, plus remote patient monitoring, and also by improving access to patients and families who do not live near psychiatric clinics and hospitals. And our research platform continues to develop other applications to other mental disorders. In terms of market validation, we had private pharmaceutical companies as well as educational firms testing and approving it. Now, let's talk about the market size. Mental health is a growing problem on a global scale. And there is also growing demand for innovative technological solutions. In summary, we have a growing market worth billions of euros. We have a very simple business model. Think of our solution as an mammogram, as a blood analysis. And our clients are individual medical doctors, as well as public and private hospitals and pharmaceutical companies conducting clinical trials. Our distribution channels include recruiting medical doctors as influencers, existing vendors to the sector, and direct sales by our own team. And I am very happy to report that we have 3 USA-based medical doctors in our medical advisory board. We started our research journey 10 years ago. We have accomplished a lot since then. And we are looking for strategic investors who can work with us to accelerate our progress. We have a very solid team of researchers, IT developers, and business professionals. And as was saying by Agad before, we have been working for several years together building Psychomeasure. In addition to our team members, we have a robust scientific and medical advisory board. We are bootstrapped That means that we, the co-founders, have been supporting our journey thus far. In addition to this, our research has been supported by public and private grants. We have a very clear mission to revolutionize the diagnosis and monitoring of mental disorders. Thank you for your time.